This is a Londa PGHW 5-3000 hot water pressure washer. I bought this from a guy for $750 because he said the pump was trying to seize up on it. Not exactly sure what he meant by that, but I did notice when I was looking at it that the drive belts on the pump are really loose. I'm going to tinker with it a little bit and see what's up with it. I got the belts tightened, got the hoses hooked up, I charged the battery, and I purged all the air out of it, so let's turn it over and see what's going to happen. See if we're getting spark. Yep. I cleaned the spark plugs. They didn't really look that dirty, but I don't know. Let's try again. Whoops. All right. Oh wait, what am I doing? Alright, I guess I need a new solenoid. I replaced that solenoid and put a new end on this cable going to the starter. So that should be good. Hopefully it'll be a little bit heavier duty than this dinky thing. Ah. That shouldn't be hard to replace. Got a new hose on there. And I got some steel and some wheels so I can make it a little more mobile. This engine and everything is pretty greasy. Let's see how well it works. That worked really well. See where it just washed the paint right off that filter. That's kind of cool. Here's just some more shots of the unit. Got the pump, the unloader valve. I think that is like a sensor to detect the water flow. It turns the burner off whenever you let off the trigger. And the water flows up into the coil here. There's a big coil of Schedule 80 steel pipe inside that thing. And then on the one end of it is the burner. So it's got an electric motor that powers a fan and a little pump there that pulls in diesel fuel and pressurizes it and mixes it with air and shoots a big jet of flame through the coil as water flows through it and heats it up. Pretty cool. Tanks for green tank for diesel and red tank for gasoline. I think these particular models have a feature where if the water in the coil gets too hot, it just dumps it out on the ground through this hose here. So one thing that is really important is that you don't let water freeze anywhere inside it. So I've just got a blowgun with like a rubber tip on it, and I'm just going to put it in the inlet and blow it out. Anyway, thanks for watching.